Relax.
Very good. Initially the belly moves, it's okay. Try not to use your belly, only use the throat muscles. Yeah? So then, what was the second condition I have mentioned? What was the second condition I have mentioned? Out of 3 important conditions. Very good, Nagaraj Rao. Very good, Amar. Respiratory muscles must be strong. Respiratory muscles. Diaphragm, very good. Thoracic, clavicular muscles, thoracic muscles, intercostal muscles, abdominal muscles, and all these muscles, both of them are together, right? Because of the heart. Exactly. Right, so what we understood, because due to round breathing habits, shallow breathing habits, there are so many dormant regions in our lungs which are unutilized, which we need to work on. Right, so this is what going to help you. So like first, the most important aspect, if you want 95% of the results, 95% results of this, whatever the technique we are going to do, there is one factor which plays an important role. How many of you want 95% results? Otherwise you'll get 5% results. You know, that what is that? Focus. Where your focus goes, the prana flows to your friends. Everybody type focus in the chat box. Where your focus goes, prana flows. Energy flows, that grows. If focus is going towards Instagram will grow. If your focus is going towards YouTube will grow. If your focus is going towards Virat Kohli, breathing in, stretch your hands forward, focus on lower lobes of your lungs, breathe out, palms on your chest, inhale through your nose, exhale through your nose, breathe in slowly, focus on your breath, breathe out. Now coordinate your movement with your breath. While inhaling, stretch your hands. While exhaling, palms on your chest. Focus on the lower lobes. Keep doing. Very good, Sanjit. Very good. Now let's activate the middle lobes of our lungs. Okay? So for this you have to stretch your hands 135 degrees. That means forehead level. While breathing in, stretch your hands in forehead level. Focus on the middle lobes of your lungs. While breathing out, palms on your chest. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Breathe in. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, stretch your hands. Breathe out, palms on your chest. Keep repeating. Neck relaxed, shoulder relaxed. Breathe out. Last time. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Next we are going to practice. We are going to activate upper lobes of our lungs. For this we have to stretch our hands 180 degrees. Breathing in, stretch your hands up. Focus on the upper lobes of your lungs. Breathe out, palms on your chest, palms on your head. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Inhale slowly up. Exhaling, hands down. Very good. Very good. Now we'll do few more practices, but in standing. We'll do in the standing variation. Yes? So please stand up wherever you are. Please stand. So first let's activate our body. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Jump on your toes. Activate. Activate.
Jump.
Very good. The first exercise we are going to do hands in, hands out breathing. For this, stretch your both hands forward, join your palms. We are going to expand the lungs properly so that we can breathe better. Breathing in, open your hands to the shoulder level. To the shoulder level. Open your hands. While exhaling, join your both hands together. Do it slowly, follow my speed. Do not bend your elbows. Breathe in slowly. Do not bend your elbows. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep repeating. Don't take hands back. Shoulder level. Shoulder level. Okay? Only it should be in the shoulder level. Last 2 times. Breathe in slowly. You can sit and practice. No issues. Those who are sitting, you can do the same. Those who cannot stand, those who are sitting, just do the same in the sitting position. Last time. Breathe in, open your hands and exhale, relax. This is what we have to do. Like they automatically move. You should not move. The ribs will automatically move when you start breathing in. See, observe me again. Breathing in. Breathing out. Right? I'll go back now, little bit. So, just observe me. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's do it together. Everyone place palms on your ribs. 4 fingers on your ribs, thumb behind your rib cage. Breathe in slowly towards your ribs. Breathe out, relax your ribs. Inhale. Breathe in for 3 seconds. Breathe out for 3 seconds. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Inhale for 3 seconds. Head relaxed, shoulder relaxed, neck relaxed. Exhale. Breathe in for 3 seconds. Breathe out for 3 seconds. Observe the expansion and contraction. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3. Inhale slowly. Exhale slowly. Keep practicing, Samji. You can practice while sitting also. Do it as per your capacity. Do not overdo. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Keep practicing. Arvind, head straight. Exhale. And front. Inhale up. Back. Exhale down. And front. Up. Back. Down. And front. Back. Up. Front. Down. Back. Up. Front. Down. Back. Up. Front. Down. Turn your head towards your right side. center, left, center, right, center, left, center. Bend your head laterally towards your right side, center, left side, center, right, center, left, and relax. So please have a seat wherever you are. 20 minutes press flow routine. How are you feeling? I just have to WhatsApp. I don't anything on YouTube. This 2 days workshop, everything is, like it's not in the format of workshop, but like I have added more than 100 videos on YouTube, and I'll be adding more and more content on YouTube. Whenever I add, you will be getting notified, and subscribe to the channel. One done in the chat box. So right, let's understand what causes the throat problem. I have given the YouTube channel link again in the chat box. Somebody who has missed, you can click on that and subscribe. First reason is a nasal blockage. Swallow one nasal tissues or deviated spectrum restrict the airflow. Our mouth breathing becomes dry, and because of that the vibration gets created. Dry mouth and vibration of the soft tissues. That is creating the loud sound. Shallow in chest breathing, poor diaphragm engagement. Your diaphragm engagement is not happening properly because of shallow. Your chest dominated breather. Reduce the slow deep breathing intervention and improve the symptoms of altered rectal sensitivity in patients with constipation and predominant IBS defects. This also helped by just IBS people and the constipation people. This helped. So let's understand Pancha Pranas. In our body we have 5 pranas which are responsible for different functions in our body. Each prana. Imbalance in this prana causes different diseases. What is the first Vayu, which is known as Udana Vayu? Udana Vayu is an upward moving energy which is moving from your throat to the top of the head. Towards your Sahasrara chakra. This region is called Udana Vayu. This region, the air, the prana, which is responsible for speech, memory, balance, mental strength. If you have any imbalances, you have to work on this. Then we have Prana Vayu in your chest region, responsible for vitality, respiration, circulation, thinking capability. If you have any imbalances here, you have to work on Prana Vayu. And then we have Samana Vayu in your abdominal region, the yellow color one, which is responsible for digestion, distribution, assimilation and nourishing. If you have any imbalances, you have to work on Samana Vayu. Then we have Apana Vayu. Can you see this red color one? Which is a downward moving energy, which is moving towards your Mooladhara chakra, the root chakra, responsible for excretion, urination, menstruation. Then we have Vyana Vayu, responsible for nerves, heartbeat, joints, circulation, movements. It's more circulating across the body. Tell me how our eyes are getting blinked, how our voice is getting produced, how the circulation is happening, how that movement is happening. Because different pranas are responsible for different functions in our body, dear friends. Different pranas are responsible for different functions in our body. Right? So if the imbalance in these pranas is going to cause different diseases in our body, whether it is digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, lymphatic, muscular, bone joints, urinary, genital, endocrine, nervous and skin. When you practice breathing exercise, immediately you see these benefits. Immediately. When you practice for few weeks, you will see intermediate benefits. 6 weeks. If you practice for 6 months, long-standing effects. You will see long-term. You will see long-standing effects. Right? So, how many of you want long-term benefits? Anybody here, or only you just want to address them? Then easy. If you want long-term benefits, you need to work long-term. There is no other way. If you want long-term benefits, you need to work long-term, dear friends. Cardiac cycle becomes. And tell me, how many of you heard this now called vagus nerve? Vagus nerve. Yeah. If you haven't heard, you can go and research about it. Vagus nerve is one of the longest nerve in our body, which is connected from your brainstem to your gut, also to other organs of your body.